Lenovo Idea Tab Plus, is it actually worth it for Kenyan students in 2026? Can one tablet survive a full day in the life of a Nairobi University student? Today we're putting the Lenovo Idea Tab Plus to the test, a tablet that comes packed with 12 GB RAM, 256 GB storage, a detachable keyboard, and a stylus pen. On paper, it promises to replace your laptop, notebooks, and even your entertainment device all in one sleek package. But here's the real question: is it actually worth it for Kenyan students in 2026, or is it just another overhyped gadget? To find out, we're stress testing it in real student scenarios, from lecture note taking and research work to multitasking during a bumpy matatu ride across Nairobi. Let's dive in. Right out of the box, the Lenovo Idea Tab Plus gives off a premium feel. It features a large 12-inch display, which instantly makes it more productive than smaller tablets. The screen size gives you enough space to comfortably read PDFs, watch lectures, or work in split-screen mode. The tablet itself is thin, lightweight, and easy to carry, which is perfect for students moving between lecture halls, libraries, and hostels. Then there's the detachable keyboard, which instantly converts the tablet into a mini laptop. Typing notes, assignments, and research papers becomes far easier compared to using an on-screen keyboard. And of course, the stylus pen adds another level of productivity, especially for students who prefer handwriting their notes. Overall, the first impression is simple: this device is clearly designed for both work and learning. The large display is one of the biggest highlights of this tablet. For students, a bigger screen means better readability when studying for long hours. PDF textbooks look sharp, lecture slides are easy to review, and watching recorded classes feels immersive. Whether you're revising lecture notes, attending online classes, or watching educational videos, the display provides a comfortable viewing experience without feeling cramped. And because of the tablet's size, split-screen multitasking becomes very practical. You can watch a lecture on one side while taking notes on the other, something many students will find extremely useful. Now let's talk about performance. The Lenovo Idea Tab Plus comes with 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of internal storage, which is more than enough for most student workloads. To test it properly, we simulated a typical student day. We opened Google Docs for assignments, a PDF textbook, a note-taking app, a YouTube lecture playing in the background, multiple browser tabs for research, and the result? The tablet handled everything smoothly. App switching is fast, multitasking is fluid, and there's very little lag even when several apps are running at the same time. For students who rely on online research, learning portals, and digital assignments, this level of performance makes the device feel reliable. It's not just a tablet for entertainment, it genuinely functions as a productivity device. For many students, the stylus pen might actually be the most valuable feature here. Instead of carrying multiple notebooks, you can write directly on the tablet. We tested the stylus by taking quick notes, sketching diagrams, and writing equations. The response is smooth, and the latency is very minimal. The writing experience feels natural, almost like writing on paper. This makes the device especially useful for students studying engineering, mathematics, architecture, medicine, science-related courses. You can annotate PDFs, highlight lecture slides, and organize all your notes digitally. And the best part? Everything is stored safely and searchable, so you'll never lose your notes again. The keyboard attachment is another feature that adds serious value. Once attached, the tablet starts to feel more like a compact laptop. Typing assignments, writing reports, or working on group projects becomes much easier compared to using a touchscreen keyboard. The keys are comfortable enough for longer typing sessions, making it practical for schoolwork. For many students, this setup can replace a lightweight laptop, especially for everyday academic tasks. Battery life is critical for students. You don't want a device dying halfway through a lecture or while studying in the library. During testing, which included note-taking, browsing, watching lectures, and multitasking, the Lenovo Idea Tab Plus comfortably lasted most of the day. This means you can attend classes, revise your notes, and still have battery left by the evening. And since it charges through USB-C, topping it up is quick and convenient. So who is this tablet really for? The Lenovo Idea Tab Plus is ideal for students who want a portable study device, students who prefer digital note-taking instead of notebooks, and anyone looking for a tablet that can double as a productivity tool. However, if your course requires heavy professional software, a full laptop may still be necessary. So, is the Lenovo Idea Tab Plus actually worth it for Kenyan students in 2026? If you want portability, strong multitasking performance, digital note-taking with a stylus, and a device that combines a tablet, notebook, and mini laptop in one, then yes, it's definitely worth considering. And if you're interested in getting one, the Lenovo Idea Tab Plus with 12GB RAM, 256GB storage, keyboard, and Stylus Pen is currently available at Nairobi Phones Technology for 59,999 Kenyan shillings only. To place your order or make any inquiries, you can call or WhatsApp 0797 149 616, and the team will assist you. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more tech reviews and gadget recommendations right here in Kenya. And I'll see you in the next video.